I think this is my favorite look ever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys another Halloween tutorial. This time I'm only going to be using the Wet n Wild Fantasy Collection. Honestly, I was not prepping for this look, but I love the movie and I love how this turned out. It's going to be a super short tutorial, but I hope you guys enjoy it. First off, we're going to start off with a clean base, and we're going to blend blue all over our skin because we are going to be turning into Avatar, the blue people. Here all I'm doing is setting the base, which was the blue base with a shadow. It doesn't really matter what you use as long as it is a blue powder. Next, we're going to grab a translucent powder and apply it to the high points of the face. This will create a highlight and really brighten up those under eyes, which is exactly what we want in these type of looks where it is kind of all one color, but it's the shading and contouring that really defines the face. And then I'm going to grab that darker blue and start creating the lines around the face. This part is really easy. All you want to do is literally create lines around the face. You could do a couple, you could do the same amount as I am doing, but it's completely up to you. I am now going back in with a lighter blue just to highlight in between the darker blue and create more definition. I'm huge on contour and defining when doing these kind of looks. So in the movie, they have these white specks on their skin. So that is what I'm creating here. I'm just using one of the Wet n Wild crayon pencils and grabbing it on a little defined brush and applying them anywhere. There's really no right or wrong. Even with the lines, if you don't want 3 of them or 3 big lines on your face, you don't have to make them as long as me. There's not a wrong or right way to do this. You can make the look your own. Once I finished up on the face, I kind of tried to move on to the nose, and I'm just grabbing a pink and creating a outline basically on the tip of the nose. Now to contour my nose, I'm also grabbing some of that blue shade and creating it on the outer sides, more of like a contour. Guys, this is a really cream based look, but obviously you don't have to use all cream products. For the nose and the under eyes, I just placed some specks as well. I wasn't too sure if they had a lot of them on their face, but I just went with it. As you could see in the cover, the girl does have them all over though, so it's not a bad thing to just allow yourself to get creative and start placing specks as you go, especially with a look like this where it's super creative. You can kind of let loose and start placing them as you go. For the body, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to create a lighter blue base and then go back in with the dark blue to create those lines and then place some of those little specks all throughout. This look was honestly way easier than I thought it would be. Obviously, if you don't want to paint your whole face or body, you don't have to, but I think this is such a cute look. I think so far this is one of my favorite looks, not only because I love the movie, but it gives me a fairy vibe almost as well, and I honestly really love how it turned out. Have seen other Avatar looks before and they have finished off their lips with pink as well, but I wanted a little more definition, so I went ahead and grabbed a blue lipstick and then blended in the pink in the center of the lips. I actually prefer this just because it gives it a little bit more of that contour going all around the face with the darker blue. For the eyes, I didn't really plan anything, so I just added some of that crayon onto the eyes, blended it with my fingers, and topped it off with some glitter. You can never go wrong with glitter. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this mini tutorial. It actually didn't take me as long as I thought it would. I was so excited though once I saw the whole look put together. I think this is almost the last Halloween tutorial that I will have for you guys, but I will definitely continue with the do-it-yourself videos. I just love getting creative, and I hope you guys are enjoying all of these videos. So make sure to turn on that little notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.